kutwalibwa ono nawo mwebwe ojumbirana sana kwaletera kikoyiwa MC onyengirowa MC kanganye nakulu because mulenda tole koba ona wada kusaba mwali wanja waketa audience time echenchebe osento nyole nchira abantu baito bale moyo ekikyaba kyaba jona kikokwane usi ona muronde onyole active ntiwo sakina zata usore direct ogogulia abantu bamuchero zamu rushawo sinakarwa nangu alama ine serikali tunalira yango yetukana kala kujo mukabana kama moleto nabasi abantu mu rushawo nabasi batalike ngwana ari kukola umasa maya wanesi we are behind you. We are behind all the leaders, starting from the treasurer, the chief whip, and the rest of the members of parliament, the MCs who are present. We are behind him, and we will continue being with this party until the end.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Huko, chairman ya all former MCs, mbia mono sana.